Hello, in this video I want to show you how can you use our new feature to assign custom color or custom images to swatches here. So as you see here on this store we are using Rubik Variant Images app, and when we are clicking on swatches our images are changing. And now I will show you how can you actually show here just colors or just a custom image as well. So in first example, let's go to our admin and let's first find this product, and then we should click here on edit swatches, and here we can assign image or color to our product. So first of all I want to assign colors, so I will first show you this example and then we can do the other example. So I'm setting color here for black. Let's choose black here. For bone it's like beige color, something like this. Of course in your case you probably have color codes, so it would be easier to do. Let me check. So orange, also here it works like this. You can type orange, it also works like this. I didn't know, I learned it recently as well. And let's do blue as well. I think it's like more like this kind of blue. Yes. And then let's go and see our product again. I'm refreshing the page, and yes, I see the colors here. We can of course change also shape here. We can make it circle, we can make it rounded, smaller, larger, everything is possible. Okay, now I want to show you how can you actually show real images. So because as you see, like it's not exactly matching the texture of the image, just showing color. So if you want to show texture, in some cases also it can be more helpful to show texture, like something like this, let's say, and then you know exactly it's showing the right texture and they see exactly what they are buying. If you are assigning image will override the color, so image has more priority than color. Let's select this. Okay, let's save. Last two, orange, yes, save, and blue one. Okay, save, and now let's save it and let's go and refresh our page. Yes, as you see all the textures are now here, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, that's easy to change it, and yeah, you can simply assign color or image here if you want. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.